Okay, I'm making a super quick video on how to check your feedback on Turnitin.com. So the first thing you're going to do after you log in is click the name of our class. You'll only have one class, I just have two, but click the name of our class. And then you will find our essay. It says character essay, and then you're going to click view right here. So you'll click view. Then you will see all of your feedback. The first thing you're going to notice is there are things that are highlighted in red rather. That's just what the system is picking up as like plagiarism, so it's probably just like the copy and paste sentences or fill in the blank sentences we use. So right here, click this little layer button and that will go away if it's bothering you. Then scroll through your essay and click on all of these blue comments. So step one, scroll through your essay, because if it has a little bubble like this, that means I typed something. Sometimes it will have like a longer thing you need to read. Sometimes it's a positive comment, like agree, I agree with this. So scroll through your essay and look at all the comments within your essay. Then you can go over here, you'll see your score, and you will see a text comment. So this text comment is like the overall thing. So I said a couple of things you did well here and like the big things you need to work on. So look what's written here. It's probably a couple sentences. And then if you want to see exactly how your score was calculated, please click View Rubric. And this screen will pop up and you can scroll through and you can see, okay, on the introduction, I got a 4. On body paragraph 1, I got an 8, and so forth. You can scroll through your entire paragraph and see how you did. All right, that's all this is. So that's how to check your feedback. Make sure you check that carefully. Let me know if you have any questions.